Good morning. So it's Sunday morning. It's 10 till 10. And we are fixing to head to church. So I'm grabbing my Bible bag and my purse. And we're fixing to head that way. I thought that I would just come on here and say hello, welcome to the vlog, because even though it's next day from the first part of this vlog, I'm going to put day 9 and 10 together. And so you're just going to spend a Sunday with me. So I know for sure we're going to church. We're probably going to go to the grocery store. And then I'm not sure what we're doing this afternoon, but let's go enjoy the day. So I love a real tree as much as the next person, but this right here is exactly why I've been trying to talk Bailey into not getting a real tree next year, but still going with his parents to get theirs. Like, look at all the needles. And this isn't just when you move it out, like it's all season long. And honestly, it doesn't matter where you get your tree from, what kind of tree it is, how much you water it, anything else, it still does that. So, and anyway, now that that's out, I'm about to sweep, vacuum, mop, and put the living room back together. Potato, patata.
Yeah.
No, that's Earth. What are these? Now you don't need to take the kazoo in. Here, give it here. I'll put it in my bag. You don't. I don't know. So my main goal coming out here was to look at birds and listen for birds. I've heard maybe 4 birds and I've seen 1. Yeah, so somebody hasn't quit talking long enough to hear the birds. Thought we're having a good time. So there's that.
Wild beavers.
Beavers?
We go straight into them giant wild beavers around here.
Wow.
They'd put down that stick and pick up that stick and realize and turn around and almost pick. Tree falls down in the middle of the park. Are you going to go here? I don't know. That was an old magnolia tree, wasn't it?
No, I think those are just rubber trees. We can't, buddy. We don't have enough time.
That's just a picture. We need to come through here one day. What is that supposed to be? A line. What? You're the warden now?